Welcome to the channel. Charter holder Tan Guerra turned $50,000 into $1.87 million. He did it using a system he now calls the ABN system, and decentralized masters just open up the door for new members. Here's exactly how all three phases work. Before we jump into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's roll it. All right, everyone, you've probably heard the term DeFi, maybe even on this channel or other channels, and you're trying to figure out what exactly does it mean. Well, there's a new way to understand this financial system, get education so you can stay ahead of it. And it's been trusted by CoinMarketCap, Forbes, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. I'm going to jump into this, but before we do, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Now, this was inspired by Ray Dalio's $150 billion hedge fund strategy, and as we can see here, diversified across tokenized assets, real estate, bonds, crypto, custom allocations, and everything is secure in your personal hardware wallet. No middlemen. So, if you want to actually understand what is going on with your portfolio, master the DeFi system, you get the all-weather portfolio right here for financial sovereignty. So now, instead of going to the bank or hoping the bank will serve you, you can become the bank with DeFi and flip from paying fees to collecting them, earn 30 to 400% annual yields. Stuff you already own, stable coin strategies from 10 to 30% with almost zero volatility, and you get blue chip positions from 30 to 150%. Doesn't get much better than this, plus appreciation, income deposit daily, and it works in any market. You can see the safe animation right there. Now, there's a hidden market. That's the DeFi market where millionaires are made. But you have to know what you're doing. You have to access tokens at pennies before the mainstream changes. Chances are once you hear about it, let's hear about the next meme coin, the next big thing, the next token or coin that's going to pop off. It already has. Some examples are Solana at 95 cents. Versus $44.45 on Coinbase, which is a 4,679% difference. And there's funded profits from phase A to B, playing with house money, and 35 plus analysts finding different opportunities 24/7. And why is this absolutely revolutionary? Well, we can see all the amazing people are talking about this, but you can compete in the wealth system, not just get random trading signals. Yes, are trading signals helpful? They are. But all these people have utilized this system to get real education to understand how the system works, not just get a signal or something like, oh, okay, well, this will increase 100% or 200x or whatever it is, because each phase builds on the previous one and personal mentors guide you through the whole thing. We can see member interviews here as well. But the window is closing as regulations start, and we can see the creators of this. Tan Guerra, the CFA co-founder, and he's an ex-investment banker, and Samuel Illa with their amazing team. Remember, this is much more than a course. There's tons of courses out there. This is a mastermind with a circle of high net worth members who know what they're doing and have proven experience with live weekly calls, research updates, and tokenization. A good thing about this is you might say, well, I'm not an expert. I don't really know what all this means, but this tokenization revolution gives you access right here. It works for beginners. It works for experienced investors. As you can see here, they have associates, mentors, analysts, membership directors, and everybody here to help you. As long as they are here, you can get the information you need. But the window is closing, and you can see the amazing reviews right here. A new one is being built. It is time to take a look at the mastermind. You can also follow them on social media, read their FAQs. But the way I see it is you can sit on the sidelines or you can learn more about DeFi, the new financial system that's happening with decentralized masters. And Tan Guerra's ABN system isn't just a theory. It's a proven framework turning everyday investors into wealth builders. Decentralized masters gives you the mentorship tools and access to implement all these phases step by step. So you can check it out in the links below, see how you can start building your own system today. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.